In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 9, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling to click on Sound and Vibration. Then scroll again to click on Vibration and Haptics at the very bottom. Then use this switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics to switch them off or on. If you decided to enable them, you can adjust intensity thanks to all of those sliders. You can also click on this switcher next to Vibrate First then Ring to enable or disable it, and this one next to Haptic Feedback for touches. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!